From this tutorial, you will learn how to transfer your USDT from Get.io to Get.io account. So the first thing that you want to do is to go on the wallet and hit on that. Then you're going to have a funds management. So that's the bottom that we need to hit. And just open up the list. And from this list, you're going to see like the funds overview, deposit, withdraw, transfer. And the one that we are looking for is push transfer. So just hit on that. On the create push, you will be able to fill in all the information, but make sure to watch the video till the end, because afterwards we're going to discuss how to track the transaction by you and the user to whom you have sent the money. In order to create the push, the first step that you have to do is to put the peer UID, and the peer UID can be found in the profile of the user. Once you hit on that, and the UID can be found at this place. Okay, then you're going to put the peer account, which could be an email or phone number of the user. Then you need to choose the currency that you would like to send, and of course the amounts. And just to make sure that the fee is going to be 0.2%. And once everything is okay and you're okay with the information that you have input, then just click to confirm the transfer. A new window will pop up, and in case if everything looks fine in here, so just press OK, and that's the way how you will complete the transaction. The status of the transaction, just go to orders, classic accounts, and then push transaction, and hit on that. And then you will be on this page. And in case if you made the transaction, then this transaction is going to be in this table with one record. And for the user, in order to check the transaction that have been sent to him or her, he or she needs just to click transfer to me, and this transaction is going to appear in this section. Thanks guys for watching, and in case if you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.